Have you ever wondered how much you need to have in your Robinhood account before you can withdraw your hard-earned cash? It's a question that's crossed the minds of many new investors and experienced traders alike. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Robinhood withdrawals to answer the burning question, what is the minimum withdrawal amount? Before we get to the nitty-gritty, let's understand a bit about Robinhood. It's a popular commission-free brokerage platform that has revolutionized the way people invest and trade stocks, options, and ETFs. But with great convenience comes great responsibility, and understanding the rules and regulations surrounding withdrawals is crucial. The minimum withdrawal amount. So, what is the minimum amount you need to have in your Robinhood account before you can withdraw funds? The answer is, it depends. Cash withdrawals. If you're looking to withdraw cash from your Robinhood account, the minimum amount is generally $0. This means you can withdraw any amount, no matter how small. However, there might be fees associated with certain withdrawal methods, so it's always a good idea to check the specific details on Robinhood's website. Stock withdrawals. When it comes to withdrawing stocks, the minimum quantity is usually 1 share. This means you can sell a single share and withdraw the proceeds. However, keep in mind that there might be taxes and fees associated with selling stocks, so it's important to factor those into your calculations. Factors affecting withdrawal amounts. While the general rule is that you can withdraw any amount of cash and any quantity of stocks, there are a few factors that can influence the minimum withdrawal amount. Account type. The type of Robinhood account you have can affect the minimum withdrawal amount. For example, certain types of accounts might have additional requirements or restrictions. Withdrawal method. The method you choose to withdraw your funds can also impact the minimum amount. Some withdrawal methods might have higher minimums or additional fees. Market conditions. In some cases, market conditions can temporarily affect the minimum withdrawal amount. For instance, during periods of high market volatility, Robinhood might impose temporary restrictions to ensure the stability of its platform. Understanding fees and taxes. When withdrawing funds from Robinhood, it's important to be aware of the fees and taxes that may apply. Here's a brief overview. Withdrawal fees. While Robinhood doesn't charge a fee for cash withdrawals, some withdrawal methods might have associated fees. For example, using a wire transfer to withdraw funds might incur a fee. Taxes. Selling stocks or options can result in capital gains or losses, which are subject to taxation. The specific tax implications will depend on your individual circumstances and tax laws. Tips for making withdrawals. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when withdrawing funds from Robinhood. Plan ahead. If you know you'll need to withdraw funds in the future, it's a good idea to plan ahead and ensure you have sufficient funds in your account. Consider fees and taxes. Be aware of the potential fees and taxes associated with withdrawals. Check Robinhood's website for the most up-to-date information on minimum withdrawal amounts, fees, and other relevant details. Refer to Robinhood's official website. In conclusion, the minimum withdrawal amount on Robinhood generally depends on whether you're withdrawing cash or stocks. While you can typically withdraw any amount of cash and any quantity of stocks, there are factors such as account type, withdrawal method, and market conditions that can influence the minimums. By understanding these factors and being aware of potential fees and taxes, you can make informed decisions about withdrawing funds from your Robinhood account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.